Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. Hi, so I had so much fun recently spreading red, or reds, that I'm going to do it again because I want to play with some color. This is Holly Berry added to Crimson Lust and Quinacridone Red. Some pink carnation, which hopefully I shook up earlier. And I'm running out of, so it's time to mix some more. This is a little vermilion, red-orange. I believe it's a Vivid Intense. And I have not used that much of it. It's supposed to look like saffron in my opinion, and I'm not sure I agree that it does yet. I've got Dancing Fuchsia. And I want some Big Apple. And I'm thinking of using a little Whispering Wisteria also. If I can lay my hands on it. There it is, right there. Right next to the Dancing Fuchsia. I think that's a perfect combination. And depending on how much frostbite I have, frosted berry, I'm going to use it in conjunction with some titanium white, because I like to create potentiality for highlights. And I don't know if I feel like I have enough paint yet, but if I keep adding pink diamond. Or is that Jasmine? That's Jasmine. So I might as well pull out the big diamond. You can see very well what the difference is. Much lighter shade. And I've got Poinsettia, which is a wonderful magenta red. Reminds me of Crimson Lust. This is definitely one of the ones I have not added any art fluid to. I do have some Rhapsody Rose. Do I? Yeah, I guess. It's definitely time to mix some things. I might throw a little bit of gold in there. Got a little Cupid's Crush too. I see that spot. What is that spot? Well, at least it's not a thing. It's just a color. This is Cupid's Crush. This is a primary element. Now I'm going to want some elbow room. So I'll put a few bottles away and throw my white in there because I forgot. I might do the red interference. That could be kind of cool. I'm going to try it on top of the colors and beside them. And I'm going to put the red interference in, and as long as it's coming out, we'll be all set. Pretty sure it can't hurt anything. It might leave a resist, but I kind of wonder about that. I never used any Alizarine Rose. That's my favorite red. Definitely my favorite red. That seems like a lot of red to me. I'm going to start wherever I feel like my favorite colors are. I'm going to give myself permission to use some of the Dancing Fuchsia and go for the black. Might even include some Whispering Wisteria. Because I like nestling those colors right in there with the orange. And I'm so glad it sells. They're subtle cells, but they're big. Still thinking about adding some more orange because it's so pretty. Yeah, that was good. Oh, that was bad. There's a lot more paint there than I thought there was. What do we do with that? Stop flipping the spatula around. Add some weird textures. Pretend nothing happened. That's pretty cool, really. And I don't think I actually heard it as much as I thought I did. But I am beginning to pick up paint as I go back over things. Another red painting. Very nice. Look at that. That is fabulous. That's a beauty. Wish you could see it the way I do. It looks very fleshed out in the monitor. Oh yeah. Can't wait to see what it looks like when it's dry. Thank you for joining me. Please share a thumbs up and subscribe. Choose all when you click the bell if you're going to help me out. If you're interested in a certain method, I have a wide assortment of playlists sharing different methods. Please watch as much of my video as possible to positively affect the algorithm. easpbgallery@gmail.com is my email address to inquire about a private class or the purchase of artwork. Please feel free to ask questions. They're always welcome. My channel survives with the assistance of channel memberships and PayPal donations, and I want to send a huge thank you out to all my supporters.